What up, YouTube? I just wanted to show you guys really quick. It is not only good to know how to do your nails, your hair, like I've done in my previous videos. Well, my hair, if you want to see it, but also know how to cook. I wanted to show you guys my simmering curry chicken. I am originally born and raised in Jamaica. Moved here in America when I was before a teenager, but still in a Caribbean house. No matter where you live, is a Caribbean house. So making me some curry chicken. My mom taught me. Of course, you know I got to put a twist to it. So typically, curry chicken, you have Irish potato. Them call it Irish potato. I don't know why them call it Irish. I just regular potato. But I didn't have any Irish potatoes. So I had some Japanese purple sweet potato. So I'm just drop it tonight, because it still tastes good, people. So I like my chicken falling off the bone. So I'm just letting it simmer on low. It's done. And I just want to get that extra tenderness from because of my dysphagia. It's a throat problem if you don't know what that is. So everything, another view. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm just making it for tonight, for the week. This with some white rice. Oh people, this right here, so it's just very simple, very simple. You got the curry. I put a scotch bonnet, some carrot. I had some broccoli left over. I'm gonna say, you know what, I'll just let it go in it and just mush it out. It's okay. Broccoli, carrot, hot scotch bonnet pepper, curry, and a piece of onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, and that's it. Let it season overnight, and then I'm cooking it now, and it's done. So I'm just letting it simmer. And so typically in a traditional Caribbean household, when you have curry chicken, you typically traditionally have it with white rice. I put coconut oil in my curry chicken because I like that coconut taste. And so I might put some coconut oil in my white rice for, you know what, that with some people, that piece of pear. People in America call it avocado, but we call it pear. So I'm excited. Learn how to do things yourself. God gave us a brain, hands, feet, and the ability to move and have our being and do things that we need. I'm covering my hair, y'all. I'm covering my hair. You got to just learn to do stuff yourself. The Lord loves us. The Lord loves you, and He has a plan and a purpose for each and every one of our lives. All right? Deuces.